action.
Howdy folks, today I'll be showing you guys how to write your first program in Java. Alright, so I will demonstrate how to create a file like this really quick. So you can do a file, new file if you want, but you know that's lame because who wants to click stuff, right? So Control N will generate a new file for you. Let me close this welcome guide really quick because it's in our way. And as you can see, whenever I type stuff in Java, oh no, why isn't this working? Why isn't there anything Java related popping up, right? Well, that's because we haven't saved this file as a Java file yet. So you want to hit Control S, or you can go to File and then Save As. But well, again, we don't want to click stuff, so just Control S. And then you can save it as whatever you want. But here I already have a pre-prepared example to show you guys. So I named this one YouTube example.java, right? So first thing you want to do is you want to have your class, and then we want to change this to whatever your file name is, so the class file matches it, so there's no weird problems later on. You don't want the .java, just the name. And then you want public static void, you want to declare your strings and stuff, and then you can get to coding. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a very simple program here. So we can type PL for print line, hit tab, and boom, that types everything you need out for you. So don't need to type every single letter, you know, it saves a lot of time. And then we're gonna put howdy world, and that's pretty cool, right? But you got to remember to hit Control S or file and save to save this to the file. But how do we see the output of this program, you're wondering, right? Well, let me show you how do you see the output, and also don't forget your semicolons. So you want to open Windows PowerShell like this. I have it already pulled up. You want to make sure you're in the right drive. All right. So you have to open the folder, the drive that the directory that this program is in. And as you can see, it was in OneDrive, Documents, and comp sci 111 for me. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to compile your code. You're gonna want to type Java C for compile, Java compile, and then the name of the file. All right, for this one, it'll be YouTube example.java. Enter. And if nothing pops up and no errors pop up, that means you're good. If you type the wrong thing, you're gonna get something like that. So now we want to run the code. We just type Java YouTube example.java, and then you hit enter, and boom, howdy world. Isn't that amazing, guys? So that would be your that's like an example of one of the first programs you can write. I went over some simple stuff, how to save a file, how to run the file, and how to create your first program. So hope you enjoyed that.